Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome back. The new teacher Chromebooks are in and are ready to be delivered, but only to those who do not already have at least one assigned Chromebook. We have a short survey included in this email and on the description. The survey also includes what the unit looks like and provides a small detail of its capability. We want to confirm our inventory before we make our way out, so please take a moment to complete the survey. Access testing is right around the corner, and headphones will be required. It's time to check your headphone inventory and locate the adapters that may be needed. The adapter combines the headphone plug along with the microphone and puts them into one so that it can be used on a Chromebook or an iPad headphone jack. Questions have come up regarding the proper way to clean technology devices. The best way is to use a cloth towel dampened with your favorite antibacterial spray. A cleaning wipe works just as well. Just try not to drench it too much and allow it to dry. The devices have been offline over the break, so you and your students will see Chromebook updates waiting to be installed. Remember, you can get to them by going to the three dots on the top right, Help, About, Google Chrome, and it'll begin the update process. It's important to get devices up to date to avoid problems with the assessment apps. Have a great rest of the week.